Welcome back, guys. In today's video we're going to be repairing a Samsung A30s. As you see, I'm busy cleaning out the phone, cleaning out the back, and I'm going to get started just clearing up my setup, and we're going to get started clearing out the phone and fixing the phone. So we're opening the back cover right now. I use a blade over here. You can use any tool that you feel appropriate. I find a blade very convenient, and here I am opening up the screws. I timed this video to make it faster, so I am not this fast in real life. It's just the video is on times 4 times 2. That's why it looks like I'm super fast, super wow. So anyways, there wasn't much screws on this device. Some screws were missing, some screws weren't. So this device was repaired before it came to me by someone else, and I don't like when you repair a device and you put it back together, you don't put back the full screws. You must put back everything you took out. But never mind. I make sure I can do whatever I can. So as you see here, I'm busy cleaning out the back. The reason why we do this is because previous person who fixes the phone before it comes to you, they probably used glue to seal off the back body, and they sometimes put too much glue and they put glue in unnecessary places. So as you see here, I'm busy cleaning out the glue and trying my best to clear it out, because if the back is cleaned out properly, then the back cover can be pasted properly and it won't look like it was replaced. It will seal properly. It won't seal and there will be like bulges in the back, or it will be open in one corner, closed in one corner. So I'm doing my best here to try to clear out the glue, the dried out glue. Yeah, so I'm cleaning out that right now. It takes a while to do that, and then after I do that, you're gonna see the next step. Make sure you get your tools ready. You have the tools, the appropriate tools. I'll leave a list of tools in the link in the description. So a link, no link actually, just in the description below. I don't have a link yet. So yeah, just at the bottom you're gonna see other list. I improvise with whatever I can. Like you see, I used a normal needle instead of having an exact phone pen for the thumb reader. Any needle work, even a earring will work as well. So here, at the left side, I have the new screen, the frame LCD. So you basically just transfer the stuff from the old LCD frame to the new LCD frame. It's as simple as that. Not much of a big hassle. It's pretty straightforward if you know what you're doing. See, I'm putting in the speakers. You just transfer basically the things over to from the old LCD to the new LCD. You make sure you clip everything back. Everything is clipped in. Every connector is in properly, and all the screws are in nicely. That's important. That is very, very important. I like to take the battery out last, because sometimes it's just a hassle for the battery. Sometimes the battery glue is so strong we have to apply heat, but like this phone's battery came out easily because this phone LCD was replaced. That's why it wasn't much of a hassle to replace the LCD. So here I'm putting back the connectors. I put the LCD and charging flexi connector. It's 2 in 1, and that's basically that. Phone is fixed. As simple as that. Busy closing up the phone. Basically the same thing I did before. I'm just gonna close up everything now. I put screws on the edges before I go to the middle of the phone, just to make sure everything so it doesn't like break apart. Because it happened to me a few times, and I learned my lesson. I just put the screws at the bottom, all the available spaces at the bottom, and I don't put it on top, and then the phone falls and the top part comes out and the bottom part is intact, but the screen just damages anyways. So make sure you put on the corners first before heading towards the middle of the phone. It's very important, guys. I learned the hard way. I know it's general, it's common sense to do that, but I didn't know at the time. I was learning. Here is the back cover. Back cover also, this person put glue on it. So much glue they used. Now I have to clean out the glue. So, like I said, if it's cleaned out properly, it will sit properly, and there won't be any issues, and it will seal off properly as well. So yeah, I'm just basically cleaning out the glue here and doing my best to take out any extra glue that I can see. Yeah, that's basically me doing that now. I don't know how long I spent doing this, but you must take your time if you have time on your hands. Sometimes there are customers waiting for the device while you are repairing it, so you can't like spend too much time on the device because they want it as soon as possible. So we try to be as fast as we can for our clients. And yeah, this is what I use to seal off the back. I use a special two-way tape. It's very strong, and that doesn't leave a mess behind for the next person. It's a pretty straightforward and simple repair, and it seals off perfectly. See, I think for the next person, or if this phone comes back to me to repair, I save my time with cleaning out the glue. It's just more easier. So yeah, here's me just removing off the upper layer of tape, and then I'm gonna seal it off and then do my tests. So yeah, everything is clean, and then that is sealed off nicely, pretty smooth, perfect. There you go, LCD is functional. Let's do our tests. I'll leave the code in the description below. If you want to do LCD test, if you want to test your LCD if it's working well for any Samsung device you use. As you see, the sensor wasn't working here. Not sure why, but that wasn't what this LCD is for. LCD is for just the LCD and touch, because it's a generic LCD. It's not the original LCD. You check the camera. Camera working. All the cameras are working. Awesome. That's working nice. That's awesome. Awesome. And then that's that. Basically, that's that. Yeah. So let's put the cover back on, and the phone is done, ready for collection.